Good afternoon. It's around 1:59 in the afternoon, and I'm meeting my friend Mikey at Toyota. She's gonna get her brand new car. So right now I'm here in Toyota. This is my friend. Hey guys, I'm here right now in Toyota, and my friend Mikey just went to the bathroom, and she told me that she's gonna get her car around 2 p.m. and I'm with her sister, Jada. Say hi, Jada. She's playing Minecraft. Ordered the stuff from Lazada, this walkie-talkie, so I'm gonna lend this to Mikey and see, just to check it if it works, and I don't know, just let her borrow it. So I just got back from Toyota, and right now I'm here in Cafe Bob's. If you can see. This is Ronil. And this is Zyko. And hi, Chian.
Is this legit parking?
Yeah!
Mamli, malang mama employer relationship tabla.
Say hi to the vlog, Yel.
Hi.
Ida. Hey guys, I'm here right now in... This is I'm here right now in Dojo 8 in the co-living space, and this is Chean, the most beautiful girl in the classroom.
The only girl.
So we just got back from Bob's, and we bought food because my friends were hungry, and I heard the class was already starting, and I'm already here in Dojo 8. Come on, let's go! So our class here is over, and we're Hey, this is my friend Jovan. Follow him on Instagram. What's your Instagram? What's your Instagram?
Gigi Style.
Gigi Style. Hey guys, I'm here right now in Tangong. It's Mia's mother's birthday. And we didn't know. Hi! Say hi, Karine!
Hi, Karin! Happy birthday, Mia!
So a while ago, I received a message. My friend inviting me to a dinner. I thought it was just a dinner, but I didn't realize it was a birthday. So here I am. Here's the party. And that's Kevin. If you remember him from the first vlog.
That's me. We just met.
Yeah.
We just met from the vlog.
This is Timer.
It's actually
our show. Yeah.
Oh yeah. So what can I say? It's Mia's birthday.
Yeah, where's Mia?
It's birthday, so this is for your first time.
Mia! Happy birthday!
Aw, Jared!
I just tasted the most delicious cake a while ago. It has Toblerone and some cream. The Toblerone complements the cheese. I mean the cream. It was really delicious. It was like heaven in your mouth. As you can see, it's already finished because Karine ate it all. I'm just kidding.
We'll take these broken souls, make them as good as new. Bind it together.
Hi.
Kamusta ang dinner? How was the dinner?
Very full.
Very full.
Yeah. The cake was really awesome.
Very nindot?
Yeah, nandindot.
Very nindot.
Actually, ang gito sa Bisaya, nindot siya namigit. So, ang cake again prepare, hindi siya very fun. Very doughy something, pero tama siya ka very soft siya. And when I ate it, it's really good.
It feels like heaven in your mouth.
Heaven in my mouth. Heaven, more heaven in my stomach.
Are you having orgasm?
Oh, that's another story. Orgasm and butterfly.
Sige na pala, ang bali na sa akon. Ano ko no? Nang okay na ko no cake, ang ba ko yan? Nang ano pa mo yan? Nang season day mo dila sa patilaw cake. Ako yung dila, virgin pa rin sa patilaw cake.
You are I've never been that.
Kaya mo na sa akon to, nigo, grabe ka nigo sa cake.
Na no limit tangerine siya.
Is it abuse of justice?
Alarm since ka.
It's just Jared doing
Siya naman,
video
no?
cake.
Siya naman. Hey guys! I see your true colors, and that's why I love you, so don't be afraid.
So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors. It's crazy all the types of people we can characterize. We laugh.
Where we'll meet, you'll hear the music, feel the air. I'll put a
Gusto mag-emperador? This one's for the boys. Beating like the drum is coming your way. Can you hear that boom, 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 bass?
Hey guys, thank you for watching my videos, and as you can see I'm already home, and this is my room, by the way. Sorry if it's so messy. It's midterms exam, and I'm really just studying lately and forgot to clean my room. So wow, it was a very busy day, and we went to Toyota and Bob's Locson, and then Dojo 8, and then Mia's house. It was so fun. I didn't expect to have so much fun in there, in the karaoke machine. And so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.